Holly. Welcome back for another new video. I'm so excited because I have a super special video planned for you guys today. I'm going to be walking you through an entire skincare line from my friend and her mom's skincare line, and it's called Waverly Organics. They were nice enough to send me not one, but 2 boxes of all of these different products that they carry in their skincare line. So I really want to talk you guys through them because it's a great brand. They're organic, they're vegan, cruelty-free, and everything in between. So it's a really great all-natural skincare line for every type of skin type. So let's get started. What box should I open first? So I have a lot of products here, so I'll try to get through them as fast as I can, but I want to give you all a good idea of what each of these products is good for. So I'm going to start with the cleansers. For the cleansers, Waverly Organics offers 2 different types, a charcoal face wash and an exfoliating cleanser. So the charcoal face wash is right here. I actually already have one of these because I purchased it myself, and I use it and I really enjoy it. It is a little bit drying to the face in a way, I would say, but it's a great way to start off the day. I use this in the morning when I put my heavy moisturizer on at night. I wake up, I'm feeling a little bit oily. I go ahead and take this and just lightly wash my face with it, and then I go in with my lighter moisturizer. If you're dry, this might not be the face wash for you, but if you're oily or you deal with acneic skin, this is gonna be awesome, and the charcoal is gonna help to pull out any impurities that are in the skin. Next, we have the exfoliating cleanser with jojoba beads, which is really great because a lot of exfoliants are made with like plastic beads and stuff like that, and they're really bad for our oceans and our fish actually. So it's good if it's made from all natural ingredients, whether it's salt or sugar or jojoba beads. I personally really like jojoba beads because they're a little bit more gentle than salt or sugar scrubs, and if you scrub too hard with a manual exfoliant like this one, you can actually end up breaking capillaries in your skin, which is never a good idea. So this exfoliating cleanser is awesome, especially if you deal with dry skin from, like if you have like dry skin patches, this helps to slough off any of that dead skin. It's also just a good manual exfoliant to go with if you like that versus a chemical exfoliant. So next we're gonna go into our acne products. They have 3 different acne products that they sent me. First is the spot serum. I love this stuff. It feels more like an oil than it does like a spot serum. Most spot serums you put on are very drying to the face, but I feel as if when you're trying to dry out a pimple, sometimes what ends up happening is you end up drying it out and it gets all crusty and gross looking, and then your body produces more oil because you've dried that spot on your face out, and then you end up more broken out for that reason. So this spot serum is awesome. I don't use it as a spot serum. I put this stuff all over my face because honestly, it's amazing. I believe it's made with lavender oil and a couple other things that are escaping me right now, but it's seriously an awesome product if you do have acneic skin, especially if you're slightly dry. Like I said, it's an oil, but even for oily skin like me, I love this stuff and I like it because it doesn't dry me out. Next, we have the acne gel therapy, and holy God, this stuff smells amazing. One reason I really like and trust Waverly Organics products is because not only do they put thought into the actual formula of their products, they put thought into the packaging, and I'll show you why. So all of their products are made with pumps. If it comes in a gel, like for instance, the Intense Hydration, I'll just show you that real quick. If it comes in a pot like this, it comes with something that you press down and the product comes out right here. Because what we don't realize is that a lot of times when you stick your nasty, gross hands in your jars of skincare, the bacteria will actually grow inside that, and then you'll pull more out of the jar and wipe that all over your face, which can get pretty disgusting over time. So I like that they chose to go with packaging that's always a pump product. As you can see, I've used this one. It's kind of gross on the outside because I didn't do a very good job of wiping it clean. But this stuff smells amazing. Like, it smells like roses. It just smells so good. And I really like this one because, again, it's a great product for if you do have acneic skin, but it's not gonna dry you out like so many acne products do. Next up, we have one of their masks, which is the clarifying acne mask. This stuff is the tits. I'm sorry if that's an inappropriate word in your family, but this stuff is the tits. I've used this as well. This is one of the products that I've actually tried. It does come in a jar formula, but it's a little bit different because it's a mask. It's not like you're putting this on your face every day and everything. I actually do use a spatula to scoop it out just in case, just because I'm kind of weird about germs in my face. But this stuff is awesome. As you can see, it's a really dark green. I've used some of it here. This stuff will suck the life out of your face, and in a good way. It, like, literally, my face has never felt more clean and more like softer than when I've used this acne mask. It dries pretty hard. It takes a minute to really get all of it off of your face, but like it like literally pulled every piece of acne out of my skin. I would be careful if you were gonna use this, because basically how a mask like this works is that it pulls everything to the surface of your skin so that your skin can basically purge all the nastiness. And then once it does that, you might break out a little bit. I've actually broken out on my chin a little bit, but now that that's gone, my skin looks so good. So this stuff is a really good thing to use, but don't use it a couple days before an important event. I know that seems like a popular thing to do, but don't do that, because you're gonna end up having pimples at the event. Do this about a week and a half before your chosen event, whether it be a wedding or prom or a formal or anything like that. Do this about a week and a half so your skin has time to purge everything, clean it out, and you are left with a beautiful, refreshed, non-acneic face. Next, we have some anti-aging products. So I'm obsessed with anti-aging products because anti-aging is all about preventing instead of correcting. Whenever I'm working my job at a beauty store and an 80-year-old woman with such deep wrinkles comes in asking me to fix her face, I'm like, honey, you should have not sat in the sun, 40 years ago. I'm sorry. So first we have the Antioxidant Recovery Serum. This is awesome. Antioxidants are actually great because they almost act as a protectant against all of the bad things that are in the air. Especially if you live in a big city, there are a lot of like pollutants and stuff like that. So antioxidants help to fight against those free radicals, which is awesome. This is made with squalene and hemp seed. It says it's intensive therapy to detoxify and rejuvenate tired skin. This exquisite blend of 100% organic oils penetrate the skin and deliver nutrients to restore elasticity and nutritional balance. And it's awesome because a lot of products, you read the ingredients and there might be a few good things in there, but then you get past the good things and it's like all these chemicals that you don't know the names of. Every single thing in this ingredient list is organic and I can pronounce it, and that's a really good feeling. I mean, hemp seed oil, apricot seed oil, rose hip seed oil, carrot seed oil, vitamin E oil, red raspberry seed oil. So this stuff is awesome. Definitely try this out if you have aging skin or you want to prevent aging skin, just because adding that extra oil and all those great ingredients into your skin are really gonna help to hydrate and make sure that you're fighting against free radicals and aging. Next up, I love this product. This is the Firming Elixir with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a little bit of a buzzword in the beauty industry in my opinion, but it's a buzzword for a reason. It's a great product. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in moisture. So if you're dry or your skin overproduces oil, so you need to put in moisture so your skin doesn't feel as inclined to produce that much oil, using hyaluronic acid is awesome. This is also gonna help to make sure that your skin is properly producing peptides. As you can see, it also comes in this squeezy bottle where you squeeze this, product comes out like that, you wipe it off, and you have a great clean product that you're not sticking your hand into and leaving bacteria to form inside of. This is a very light elixir, so what's great about it is it looks like a lotion, but it dries and feels more like a serum. So you won't feel bad putting this on your skin as well as your moisturizer. I think this would be a great product to use at night, right before you do your night cream. And I think you should use the antioxidant recovery serum in the morning, like I said, to protect against those free radicals in the air around us. This one smells good too. Oh my Lord. These products smell so good and I love it because they're fragrance free. So it's not because they have a bunch of fragrances in them, it's because it has natural products that just smell good. So next up, we have a couple different lotion or moisturizing options. We have an intense hydration for dry to very dry skin, a light daytime lotion, and an anti-wrinkle night cream lotion. So the intense hydration for dry to very dry skin, I love this product, honestly, because even though it says dry to very dry skin and it's got like a thicker formula, it really it's so luxurious. I know you can't see anything, but it really melts into the skin nicely. And my skin, even though I'm oily, absorbed it like that. Like it was so quick when I tried this out, and like I really love this. For whatever skin type, I think the intense hydration could be a great option for you. If you're oily, I would say maybe use this as a night cream instead of a morning cream. And then for your morning cream, go with the light daytime lotion. This stuff is also awesome. Comes in a huge jar, again, with a squeezy top so that you're not getting all that bacteria in your jar. And I said that 40 times, but it matters. This stuff is awesome as well. It's a lot lighter. You can kind of see it's like more like moussey. You can kind of see when you touch it like stands on itself. So it's a little bit more moussey, not so much as like a heavy cream, but perfect for starting your day and Yeah, okay, it smells amazing too. So yeah, this is an awesome product, especially for my oily skinned girls to use in the morning before you put your makeup on. And then lastly, we have the anti-wrinkle night cream to fight signs of aging. Let's see what oils we have in here, what ingredients. Ooh, okay, so we've got a lot of essential oils in here. Optifin Plus, which is paraben free, glycerin, stearic acid, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, rosehip seed oil, so a lot of other great things in here. The best thing that you can do for anti-aging is honestly supplying your skin with sunscreen, A, and moisturization, B. Those are the top things you can probably do for your skin. Next to that is definitely exfoliating, maybe using a chemical exfoliant like a glycolic or retinol, but maybe using that when you're a little bit older. I would say like mid-20s, early 30s for sure. But the earlier you start, the earlier you're gonna prevent the signs of aging. So the anti-wrinkle night cream, once again, is in the squeezy jar, like this one. Let's see how this one feels, because I actually haven't felt this product yet. So let's see. Okay, it's kind of a mix between the intense hydration and the firming elixir. It's definitely a little bit heavier, not something you'd probably want to use in the morning, which is why it says night cream on it. It's definitely not like suffocating to the skin. It absorbs really easily. I like that a lot. So that'll definitely be something I'll be adding into my nighttime routine for sure. And last, but certainly not least, if you're 12 or 95 or 4 or 60 or 30 or 80 or 105, you need to be using an eye cream. Your eyes are the first part of your body to lose their elasticity. You can start to see signs of aging in your eyes as early as 15. So you really need to make sure that you're supplying your eye area with what they need to stay young and youthful. So this is the Restorative Repair Eye Cream. This has hyaluronic acid and glycogen nanoparticles. So it's gonna be firming, it's gonna be plumping, it's gonna be hydrating most importantly. Again, another squeezy tube, my freaking favorite. Let's see how this one feels, because I haven't felt this one either. Ooh, that's nice. It's really light. You could probably get away with using it in the morning if you are a little bit drier, especially in the eye area. If you're one of my more oily girls out there, then I would definitely say use this at night and maybe get something a little bit thinner for the morning. A great morning eye cream is the ginseng eye cream from Origins. I use that one because it has caffeine in it and it really just helps to wake me up in the mornings, honestly. It's got like a good zing to it. So maybe go for that one in the morning and this one at night if you're a little bit more oily. But yeah, those are all the products Waverly Organics was so kind to send me. I'm so thankful for everything that y'all sent to me. Like, I am so excited to really give these products a good, honest try. Y'all are awesome, and this is a great company. Support small businesses. They're doing an awesome job, and I know that they put their heart and soul into every single product they make, whether it be the actual product, the ingredients, or the packaging. I think it's awesome, and honestly, look how cute their branding is. Like, I think this is adorable. So check them out, waverlyorganics.com. You can use the code HOLLYLOLLY10 for 10% off. I'll leave all that information in the description bar below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more from me, please give this video a like and also subscribe. It really, really helps me out. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Follow all my social media links, which will be in this general area right here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. We'll be right back.